Hi everyone, Casey Thompson here. We received a really interesting question from Sophie in Oregon. Her question is there any spiritual benefit to yoga? That's a really good question, Sophie, so we're going to jump right in. First of all, you have to understand yoga is a spiritual practice. Regardless of whether it's taught on a mat or not, the word yoga itself comes from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to yoke or to unite. This union refers to the integration of mind, body, and spirit, and ultimately with God and the universe. Yoga postures and breath work demand that you bring your full attention to the present moment. You must focus on the sensations in your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the alignment of your pose. This constant anchoring in the now stops the mind's tendency to dwell on the past or worry about the future. By practicing presence on the mat, you train your mind to be more present in daily life. This leads to greater peace and way less anxiety. Yoga encourages a deep inner gaze inside yourself. As you move through poses, you become more aware of your physical sensations, your emotional states, and also mental patterns. This heightened self-awareness allows you to identify emotional blockages and fix them, and gain clarity on who you truly are beyond your ego. You see, in yoga, the breath is not just air, but the vital life force energy that animates all living things. Pranayama techniques consciously regulate and expand this energy, leading to far more increased vitality, mental clarity, and emotional balance. Yoga's combination of physical movement, breath awareness, and concentration on the poses helps to quiet the monkey mind. The monkey mind that is always distracting and anxiety-inducing. This mental stillness creates space for much deeper insights, much deeper intuition, and a sense of inner peace to emerge. The body stores emotional trauma and stress. Yoga postures facilitate the release of these stored emotions. This can manifest as tears, shaking, or a sudden wave of emotion, which can be very profoundly healing. Through consistent practice, yoga helps to regulate the nervous system, shifting it from a fight or flight to a rest and digest state. This change contributes to a sense of calm and well-being, which is huge. Yoga is a pathway to reconnecting with your higher self. By quieting the ego and becoming more present, you can tap into inner source of wisdom, guidance, and unconditional love. Also, yoga requires discipline and self-control, not just physically, but mentally, and also learning to stay with uncomfortable sensations, to breathe through challenges, and to maintain focus builds inner resilience. This ability extends way beyond the mat, empowering you to make conscious choices aligned with your values in daily life, which is very important. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless. Love you all.